In this video, we will discuss the exclusion zone settings for the request quotes purposes. The exclusion zone settings are located in the Admin panel, General Settings section, Sales Module tab, and they are listed as the third option on the list of default settings. Exclusion zones are countries over which the aircraft should not be flying. Once the exclusion zones are selected, the flight time calculations are applied to Aviation pages and Route Finder in the Request Quotes panel, Edit Quotes section, and will take these zones into consideration and omit the selected countries. In this case, they are Belarus and Czech Republic. These countries indicated here will apply to the quotes per operator. If we look at the example, here we have the schedule flying from Warsaw to Poznan, and from Poznan to Vienna. If we click on the Calculate Flight Time button, we have two options on flight time calculations based on routing. These are Route Finder and Aviation pages. As we can see, the first leg flies from Warsaw to Poznan, and the second leg flies from Poznan to Vienna. This is the second leg, and as you can see, it flies through the Czech Republic. If we switch to Yes in Traffic Flow Restrictions drop-down bar to include the exclusion zone settings, which require the Czech Republic to be omitted, we can see that the routing is changing, and instead of flying through Czechia, it flies through Slovakia.